In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the heater in your Toyota Quantum. If you're getting cold air instead of heat or the cabin just isn't warming up, here are a few things to check. First, start the engine and let it warm up for a few minutes. If the temperature gauge doesn't move much, your thermostat might be stuck open and needs replacing. Next, check the coolant level in the reservoir under the hood. If it's low, top it up with the correct coolant type. Low coolant can stop the heater from working properly. Then, test the heater fan. Turn the dial through all speeds. If the fan doesn't blow at all, it could be a blown fuse or a faulty blower motor. Also, feel the heater hoses under the hood. Both should be warm when the engine is hot. If one is cold, your heater core might be clogged and need flushing. If this video helped you get your Quantum's heater working again, please like and subscribe for more helpful auto repair tips. Thanks for watching.